Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. I hope you're all doing great and welcome to this new video on Bigtime. I haven't covered this in a while, mainly because Bigtime has been relatively bearish for the last 2 weeks or so. Wanted to cover it this morning. It looks like it can rally. So just wanted to give you my thoughts on it. I posted about this earlier on X as well. I posted a little bit of a chart. So make sure to follow me on there as well if you want more, quicker updates on potential things that I think are interesting. WIF has been relatively bullish as well since I posted about it. So make sure to follow me on there. But no, wanted to talk about Bigtime. I mean, there's some interesting things here. Purely on the higher time frame. So this is a 12-hour time frame, but let's get to the daily time frame. We hit a relatively significant support level right here around 10 cents. All right, so my eyes were already on Bigtime a little bit because 10 cents was a very strong support level, and Bigtime has been very, very bearish as well in the last 2 weeks. Like I said, well, before that it was quite strong, right? So drop down into that level, which historically is also a strong support level, at least the area around that as well. And now what I think is most interesting when we actually zoom in is that Bigtime is gaining quite a lot of momentum. And that's what you can see right here. And it's not only gaining momentum, right? So we're actually getting some nice new open positions. We're not only gaining momentum here, which is already bullish, of course, but no, we're also gaining volume. All right, so volume in the last 24 hours has gone up 134%, from 14 million yesterday to 34 million right now. So that's very bullish, right? Because you actually have, we bounced from a strong support level. Bitcoin also seems to be finding some support, but I won't say that too loud because Bitcoin has been absolutely ridiculous the last couple of days. But no, Bigtime itself is gaining momentum and volume from a strong support level. And then what I think is most interesting here, and that's also the key to today, is this level right here around 11.6 cents. All right, there's a major resistance level between 11.6 and 11.3 cents. I think Bigtime looks promising here, but in the end, the one thing that matters for Bigtime is, will we be able to break above this level? Because if the answer is yes, then I think there's room to grow to, well, at least 12 cents. That's the first resistance level. But if we're able to break above that level and hold it, which I do think is a high probability here, then we can go all the way up to the top of the range right here towards the 0.5 and the 0.618 fib right here around 13 cents. So there's definitely potential for Bigtime, purely technically seen, right? Because if you go to the higher time frames, then this could be some sort of consolidation. It would be a weird consolidation, but it's a possibility. So that means we can go all the way up to this level right here around 15 cents. In my eyes, a possibility. Is it too soon to talk too much about that? Yes, all right, because there is definitely potential for Bigtime here. There's volume coming in, there's momentum coming in, but now we need to technically confirm it as well. And that would be the case by breaking above 11.5 cents and holding it, right? If we're going to be able to do that, if we're able to get that breakout today, it would be helped by a bullish Bitcoin, of course. But if we're going to be able to do that, then I think Bigtime can get into that 12.5 cents level as the first target, because we have the POC there. So that's a strong level in general. And then if we can continue this, development of increasing momentum and volume, then I think after that, finding some resistance there, we can also go higher. And the obvious other scenario is that if we're not able to break out here, if we reject 11.5 cents, we'll just continue to be bearish and we'll drop down lower towards 10 cents for real this time. So that's what you need to know, I think, for now. If you do have any questions, of course, let me know down in the comments. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.